babies.
We back with another tutorial. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw a square, right? Just a regular square. I'm gonna grab the eraser tool because the eraser tool coming from Photoshop is my go-to tool. So if I wanted to erase the right side of my image, I would just cut a line through it and start erasing. But this stroke, it won't go away. All right, undo that. The solution is going into the scissor tool. Scissor tool, hit a point in your path, hit another point in your path. Now I go to my direct select tool, and if I want to erase the right side, I just hit a point on the right side, hit delete again, and now I have an open square. I don't have that stroke over here like I had with the eraser tool. Hope you learned what you need to learn. If you need to know more, hit us up. We'll respond. See y'all on the next one. Peace.